Ever found yourself grappling with the task of creating graphs in Excel? It may seem daunting at first, but once you get the hang of it, you'll find it's actually quite straightforward. Today we're going to demystify the process, making it as simple as pie, or perhaps a pie chart. First things first, open up Microsoft Excel. You'll be greeted by a blank spreadsheet, which is your canvas for data. Across the top, you'll see a row of letters and down the side a column of numbers. These are your cell references. Now, it's time to input your data. Imagine you've conducted a survey at the office, asking everyone their favorite type of coffee. You could have a list of names in one column and their coffee of choice in the next. Once all your data is neatly inputted, it's time to move on to the next step. The magic of creating a graph begins. Highlight the data you want to include in your graph. Be careful not to miss out on any important information. Once everything is highlighted, navigate your way to the Insert tab. Here, you'll see a variety of chart types. Bar graphs, line graphs, pie charts, the choice is yours. Select the type of graph that best suits your data. For our coffee survey, a pie chart might be the most appropriate. Click on the pie chart icon and voila! Your chart will appear on the spreadsheet, but we're not done yet. Next, it's time to customize your graph. You can change the colors, add a title, and even adjust the size. Simply click on the graph and a new Chart Tools tab will appear. From here, you can make all sorts of adjustments to make your graph truly your own. Lastly, you want to make sure your graph accurately represents your data. Check the labels and the data points. Make sure the pie slices match the corresponding data. If a third of your office prefers a latte, the latte slice should take up a third of your pie chart. In summary, creating a graph in Excel involves a few key steps. Start by opening Excel and inputting your data. Highlight the data you want to include in your graph, then navigate to the Insert tab. Choose the type of graph that best represents your data, then customize it using the Chart Tools tab. Finally, double-check that your graph is an accurate representation of your data. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you play around with Excel's graphing capabilities, the more comfortable you'll become. So go ahead, dive into your data and start graphing. You'll be an Excel graphing wizard in no time.